Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith and today I'll be doing a product review from the company Breahni. The owner of the company reached out to me and asked me if I would like to review her products for my audience. I thought she was just sending me like 2 products and she actually sent me 5. I'm like, okay girl. But I'm just going to jump right into the review. These products are made with very good ingredients and no harsh chemicals. The line features a light styling gel, healthy hair oil, curl defining cream, leave-in conditioner, and moisture milk. So I'm just going to demonstrate the first products that I use. My hair's already been washed and conditioned, and I decided to try out the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner smelled really good. I love products that smell good. It smelled kind of like a watermelon bubblegum, and the consistency of it was kind of like just a regular lotion. So when I was testing out this product, I noticed that if I could tell by the consistency of it that if I put too much in my hair would be kind of weighed down. So I just didn't apply that much to my hair, and the amount that I did apply was the perfect amount because my hair was like super soft and it wasn't weighed down. This leave-in conditioner left my hair like, it was like a weird kind of soft. Like, I don't know, it was super soft, but in a good way. So I just went and put this leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair, and then went on to the light styling gel. So the light styling gel says that it's a gel with unique moisturizing and curl defining that tames frizz, smooths edges, and has amazing slip. This no flake styling gel delivers manageable hold that is gentle enough for daily use and is ideal for all curl textures. So the gel smelled just like the leave-in conditioner, that watermelon bubblegum smell, and the consistency of it was like glue. It was like a really light gel, slimy. And I just put this all over my hair doing the raking method. I didn't really do a demonstration on how I do the raking method because I have a video on it. I'll link it down below. And after I got done, I just went to bed to let my hair air dry. So my thoughts on the gel is that when I put it on my hair, I didn't feel like the gel had a lot of slip. The product did claim to have slip. I didn't really get that vibe from it. I don't know if I was supposed to do my hair a certain way or what, but it wasn't really that easy putting this product through my hair. But when it did get on my hair, my curls did have a very nice curl, and I noticed that my curls were elongated, so I really liked that. So that's my hair before bed. And the next day, this is my wash and go after it's all dried. I just put it up in that little ponytail for a shower, and I noticed flakes. I was not excited about that, and when I like shook my hair down like that, it was flakes just like falling out of my hair. So it was like an excessive amount of flakes. But look at the curl definition. The curl definition was really cute. So the directions on the gel also say once your hair is dry, scrunch your curls to release the cast. So I just took the healthy hair oil and went through my hair and scrunched my curls up to try to get some of that gel cast off. And the hold on the curls were really good. Like, I really loved the hold. I really loved the way it made my curl pattern look. The only downfall of this gel was the flakes. Like, you can see a bunch of flakes, and this is my hair once I've like picked out through it, and it looks really good. It was literally just the flakes. So I left this wash and go up for about 3 or 4 days, and I'm like, I can't take the flakes anymore. So I decided to wash my hair and try again using a different combination. This time I decided to use the moisture milk and oil to provide myself a little bit more moisture, and I also went in with the curl defining cream. The moisture milk claims it will make your hair noticeably soft and improve manageability. I think it definitely did that. It didn't have as much slip as I would like, but when you put the products in your hair and they like settle in, that's when I noticed that the product actually did make my hair soft. So I definitely liked the moisture milk. It was a little bit thicker than the leave-in conditioner, but I really liked it. So after that, I went in with the oil as stated, and then I went in with the curl defining cream throughout my head. The curl defining cream claims to provide controlled definition, bounce, and soft hold to create well-defined, natural-looking curls. The curl defining cream smells just like the rest of the products, and it went on my hair okay. It didn't have as much slip, but it definitely gave my hair great curl definition and shine. So I wanted to do one section of my hair with the gel again, so I decided to wet my hair a little bit more, going with the leave-in conditioner, the oil, and the light styling gel to see how it would turn out, because I really like the gel, I just didn't like the flakes that came with it. So I did this little corner of my hair to see how it would turn out, and I just let my hair dry overnight, and this is my hair the next day. This is my hair, and I was super impressed with the amount of volume and definition I had on day one. So this is the side that I did the curl cream and the moisture milk with, and my hair was super soft. And this is the side that I did the entire lock method with the styling gel with, and I absolutely loved it. Like, I have a little bit of flakes, but I didn't let that worry me. My hair was super soft, like on the roots, and then the ends, they had a little crunch to it, but of course it's a gel. But I was like absolutely obsessed with the side with the gel, so I'm glad I went and redid the gel over with more moisturizing products. I really like the way the gel turned out. So just an overview of the products. The products are in very great packaging and they smell really good. The products that I would purchase would be the light styling gel, the leave-in conditioner, and the oil. I know the light styling gel gave me flakes, but I now know that when I do the lock method and put that on top of it, it becomes a great styler that leaves me with soft curls and volume. The curl defining cream and the moisture milk are also great products. I just like the other products that I stated before better than those. These are all great products, and I definitely recommend that you guys try them out. I will leave all their information down below, and you guys let me know what you think of my results. This video was sponsored, but all thoughts are my own, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.